Guangzhou Homei Lighting Equipment Factory was founded in 2012 and is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou City, and near Guangzhou Baiyun Airport. Take about 30 minutes by car. We are a professional team specialized in research, development, production and sales of LED dance floor, LED star curtain, RGB video curtain, moving head beam, LED par light, LED wall washer bar, DMX controller, and so on. We have our own factory, about 3,314 SQM, have 6 engineers and more than 50 workers. We research and develop new item every year to meet the marketing need. We can have FaceTime to show you our product at any time. If you have problem, we can solve it within 1 hour. Our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. All of our products pass CE, RoHS, SGS, TUV certificate. We have established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. Our products are exported all over the world, including Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, Australia, and other global more than 70 countries and regions. Suitable for wedding party, disco, club, car exhibition, studio, and theater. 99% product got a good reputation from customers. We support OEM and ODM. Sample order also accepted. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.